Working with fearful cats can be a challenge because people often confuse their behavior with aggression. Helping a scared cat takes patience, understanding, and a calm approach. By being understanding, you can help them feel safe and gradually build trust. Giving a scared cat space is important for their comfort. Let them find a quiet, safe place where they can feel secure. Do not force them to come to you. Allow them to explore and approach you when they are ready. Providing hiding spots is crucial for a scared cat. Cats feel safest in small, enclosed spaces where they can observe their surroundings without feeling exposed. Hiding spots give them a sense of security and control over their environment, helping them relax and feel protected. The Meowfia Cat Cave offers a cozy and eco-friendly hideaway, perfect for cats who love having a private hiding spot. It provides warmth in winter and coolness in summer, giving your cat a comfortable and stylish retreat to relax and feel safe. Establishing a routine is important for a scared cat's sense of security. Cats thrive on routine, so try to feed, play, and interact with them at the same times each day. A consistent routine helps the cat feel safe by making things predictable and less stressful. Enrichment is key for a scared cat to feel mentally stimulated and more confident. Provide toys, scratching posts, and interactive activities that let them explore and play at their own pace. This helps create a positive, safe environment and gradually builds the cat's confidence. The Cat Stage's Tower of Tracks provides extra fun with 6 colorful spinning balls, encouraging mental stimulation and physical exercise for your cat. Its sturdy design, top safety bar, and non-slip base ensure safe, energetic play for one or multiple cats. Try offering their favorite treats or wet food to encourage them to associate you with something positive. Place the food near them, but give them space to approach it on their own terms. Consider using pheromone diffusers, which mimic natural cat pheromones that promote a sense of security and calm. Feliway Classic Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser helps comfort scared cats by mimicking natural pheromones, reducing stress-related behaviors like hiding and scratching. Drug-free and non-sedating, it provides continuous calming relief, helping your cat feel more secure in their environment. It is important to consider a cat's health when they are scared, as anxiety can sometimes be linked to pain or illness. If a cat suddenly becomes fearful or shows unusual behavior, a vet visit is recommended to rule out any medical problems. With time, patience, and care, your cat will feel less scared and more comfortable. By being gentle and understanding, they will start to trust you and feel safe around you.